Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can get free stuff in Roblox. So basically what you want to do is go over to the avatar shop. Once you're in the avatar shop, over here you're going to see some items cost money, some items will not cost money. Now, what does not cost money? That is something even I wish to know. The blue charmer. Okay. I don't think we will find something over here that does not cost money, but if we go over to the featured section, right? Featured section being some place that is always being featured. Over here, as we can see, we can get this character John for free. It's a bundle character, so we're gonna get John right now. And over here, as you can see, there's multiple other characters as well. We're also gonna get Squad Ghoul. What just happened? So we already got John. Now we're gonna go over to ghouls and try and get drop as well. So we're just gonna press on get now, and we got this guy as well. So these are not the only things. You can get more stuff. By that I mean over here, as you can see, retro climbing. This guy comes like an entire bundle. You get all these animations free. Yeah, you get the clothes as well, but you get these arms, these animation, these faces, all of these stuff for free, because it's a bundle. And there's other stuffs to get free as well. If I go over here and tribal wolf, now I gotta pay for that. But if you go over to the featured section, featured animations, retro animation, that's for free, and stuff like these, they're gonna come in free, and sometimes they're not gonna come in free. So it's really, you just gotta search for what's free and what's not. And over here, if you minimum price, just put it at 0, or just like free, and then everything you're gonna get is free, everything. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.